We have got to stand up, and we're going to fight back, because we are going to protect our values in Montgomery County, in the state of Maryland, and this nation.
The Montgomery County Council, alongside Representatives John Delaney and Jamie Raskin, held a rally at Gaithersburg High School to stand strong with residents and assure that their health care will be protected.
Thank you for being here. All of my colleagues are with you in this. Tomorrow we will take up a resolution, not on the Affordable Care Act, we're here tonight, but on his budget as a whole. So we are going to stand up for you. We're going to stand up for Montgomery County residents, because this is real.
I'm very proud of this, but during my entire lifetime, Montgomery County and this area were always people that wanted to make certain that their neighbors were safe. They wanted to make certain that their neighbors had food to eat. They wanted to make certain that we all could live together and enjoy each other's company and make certain that that continued. And oh, by the way, we also need to protect Meals on Wheels as well.
The vote in Congress to repeal and replace the Affordable Care Act will have far-reaching consequences. Maryland Representatives John Delaney and Jamie Raskin are making sure to stand up and fight back for our region.
435 people are going to have a choice this week. Do they stand with progress? Do they stand in compassion? Do they stand with responsibility? Do they stand with their faith and ensure that 24 million people, and let's face it, most of them are children and the poor, don't lose their health care?
I want to tell you my quick little medical story, because in the decade that I served in the Maryland State Senate, I came down with a case of colon cancer. But if you get a diagnosis like that and you can't get health care because you love the wrong person, or because you're too poor, or because you lost your job, or because you were born in the wrong neighborhood, that's not a misfortune, that's an injustice, because we can do something about that.
Montgomery County has always considered healthcare to be one of its top priorities, and the County Council continues to demonstrate that support.
I am so glad to be here in Montgomery County, and I feel so honored to serve on the County Council with my colleagues, because you know what? We have been working so hard here to take care of each other, to make sure the people that don't have health insurance have a place to go, community clinics. We have worked so hard to make sure that we provide whatever we can to those that don't have enough, those who are vulnerable, those who are in the shadows. That's what we do here in Montgomery County.
When the county was dealing with the implementation of the ACA, we were looking forward to what other things we could address in the county with the money we were spending on health care. We stood up for health care because we understood it was a primary need of human beings, and we were going to take care of that. But we have other primary things we need to take care of. We've got an achievement gap, which isn't going away really soon. We've got to struggle with affordable housing. We've got a myriad of things that we could do to make Montgomery County better. And we were thinking, great, the federal government's going to take its responsibility for health care, and we're going to be able to do other great things. And now this is all going to land back in our lap, because Montgomery County is an amazing place. We are not going to let people go without health care. That is not what Montgomery County is about.
For the past 3 years, we've been able to spend fewer of your tax dollars on locally funded care because of the Affordable Care Act. And now we are at risk of having all of that unravel. We were reducing the disparities. We are today providing universal access to health care in Montgomery County. Everyone in Montgomery County can see a doctor. Everyone.
The vote in Congress happens this Thursday. Montgomery County residents made their voices loud and clear, and their elected officials showed their support.
So what are we gonna do? That's exactly right, and I will stand with you. Thank you very much.